In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Object Cache Pro in Cloudways. This is a powerful feature that can significantly enhance the performance of your applications by reducing database load and speeding up requests. By the end of this tutorial, you will have Object Cache Pro up and running smoothly on your Cloudways platform, so let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the managed cloud hosting platform known as Cloudways. If you're new to the platform, it's designed to simplify cloud hosting, making it robust yet user-friendly. Now open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudways website. Once there, let's move ahead and click on Login. This will bring up the login page for your Cloudways account. Make sure to input your login credentials carefully to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudways dashboard, your central hub for managing all your server needs. From here, you'll want to locate and click on My Applications. This is where you can manage all the applications you have hosted with Cloudways. After selecting My Applications, you'll need to find the specific application where you want to enable Object Cache Pro. Once you've selected the right application, another click awaits you, the Applications button. This will lead you to a detailed list of your current apps. Here, you should see an Access Details button. Clicking on this will provide a detailed overview of the necessary settings for each specific application. Now with the Access Details open, you'll see the Admin Panel button. A click here will take you to the WordPress admin panel associated with your application. WordPress is a popular content management system, and here's where you can fine-tune various settings. In the WordPress admin panel, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will present you with a variety of adjustable configurations for your application. Among these options, you should spot Object Cache. Clicking on Object Cache will bring up the final screen where you can enable Object Cache Pro. And there you have it. From this page, you should now be able to activate Object Cache Pro. Congratulations, you've now enhanced your application's performance by reducing the load on your database and improving the speed of data retrieval. It will help your application run more efficiently, especially as you handle larger data requests. Thanks for tuning into this guide on enabling Object Cache Pro in Cloudways. I hope it was clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Cloudways support. They're always ready to help you optimize your cloud hosting experience. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy hosting.